In this video for Positive Maths, we're going to look at more problem-solving activities involving applied measure. So we need to find the volume of plastic needed to make 1 meter of the plastic pipe below. So we're just going to look at some of the dimensions that we're given here. We're given the diameter of the inside of the pipe. So that's 25 centimeters. We're also given the diameter of the outside of the pipe. So that's 35 centimeters. And we're given the length or the height of the cylinder to be 1 meter. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to write down is the formula that we need to find the volume of a cylinder. So the volume of a cylinder, pi r squared h. Just going to note up here that for pi, we're going to use 3.142. Okay, so the dimensions then that we need to find the volume. We need the radius and we need the height. So we're going to think about this as a combined shape. We have one large cylinder on the outside. We have one small empty cylinder on the inside. So in order to find the volume of the pipe, we need to find the volume of the big cylinder and we need to find the volume of the empty or the smaller cylinder. Then our answer, the volume of plastic, is going to be equal to the volume 1, so the volume of the big cylinder, minus the volume of the inside of the cylinder. So that will give us the volume of plastic. Okay, so let's find the volume of the bigger cylinder. So we'll say volume 1 is equal to pi, so that's 3.142, multiplied by the radius squared. So we're noting here we have the diameter is equal to 35 centimeters. So therefore our radius, or 1, is going to be equal to 35 divided by 2. So this would be 17.5 centimeters. And our height is 1 meter. So, another thing to note here. We are given our units in centimeters and meters. But in order to find the volume, we need to use all of the same units. So instead of 1 meter, I'm going to use 100 centimeters. So that's something to really be careful of. Okay, so our volume then is going to be equal to 5498.5. Okay, our second part, we're going to find the volume of the inside of the cylinder. So it's going to be our volume 2. So again, we're going to use the same formula. Pi 3.142. This time, our diameter is 25 centimeters. So our radius is going to be 25 centimeters divided by 2. Which gives us 12.5 for the radius of the inside. And our height again is going to be 100 centimeters. So we find the volume of the inside of the cylinder, 3927.5. And that's centimeters cubed for volume. Okay, so the third part then of this question is finding the volume of plastic. So the volume of plastic that we need is going to be equal to volume 1, which is 5498.5, minus the volume of the inside. So the volume of plastic is 1571 centimeters cubed. So just being careful that we're always using the correct units. So for volume, it's centimeters cubed. So again, just to recap on a few different things we have to watch out for in this question. First thing we need to watch out for is we're given the diameter for the inside and for the outside of the pipe. Okay, so in order to find the radius, it's the diameter divided by 2. The next thing we have to watch out for is they give us the diameter of the inside and the outside in centimeters, but they give us the height in meters. So in order to find the volume, we have to either change everything to meters or everything to centimeters like we did in this question. So instead of using the height as 1 meter, we use the height as 100 centimeters. So we have to be careful for that. So checking our units. And then the third thing to watch out for is that we're using the correct units, so it's centimeters cubed. For more information, visit www.PositiveMaths.ie. You can email us at info@PositiveMaths.ie and find us on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching.